In a reactive world, emotional control is power, and one of the hardest forms of control is being okay with being misunderstood. Most people hate being misunderstood. They want clarity. They want to be seen correctly. They want others to understand their intentions. So they explain, they clarify, they defend, they repeat themselves. But here is the truth. Not everyone is trying to understand you. Some people are trying to interpret you through their own perspective, their own biases, their own experiences, and no amount of explanation can control that. The need to be understood, the need to be understood is natural. It comes from the desire for connection, for acceptance, for alignment. But when that need becomes strong, it turns into pressure. You start feeling responsible for how others see you. And that's where the problem begins because you cannot control perception. The trap of over explaining. When you try to correct every misunderstanding, you enter a loop. You explain once, then again, then more. And instead of gaining clarity, you lose authority because constant explanation signals uncertainty. The more you try to fix perception, the more you depend on it. Perception is not in your control. People see you based on their mindset, their experiences, their expectations. Two people can see the same action differently. One respects it, another questions it. Try to Trying to control all interpretations is impossible and exhausting exhausting. Emotional discipline in misunderstanding. Emotionally disciplined people understand something important. Not every misunderstanding needs correction. Not every opinion needs response. Not every judgment needs explanation. They choose carefully when to speak and when to stay silent, because sometimes silence is stronger than explanation. The strength of letting go. Letting people misunderstand you requires strength because it challenges ego. Ego wants to be seen correctly. Ego wants to defend itself. Ego wants to fix perception. But discipline allows something different. Acceptance. Acceptance that not everyone will see you clearly, and that's okay. The right people understand. Over time, something becomes clear. The right people understand you without long explanations, without constant clarification, and the wrong people, even after explanations, they still misunderstand. So, who are you trying to convince? Identity without approval. When you stop trying to control perception, your identity becomes stronger because it no longer depends on external understanding. You act based on your values, not on how others interpret you. This creates freedom. Freedom from explaining. Freedom from defending. Freedom from constant validation. The AME.X perspective. Within the AME.X mindset, clarity comes from within, not from external approval. You don't need everyone to understand you. You need to understand yourself, because when you are clear internally, external confusion loses power. Remember something simple. People will misunderstand you not because you fail to explain, but because they see through their own lens, and sometimes letting them misunderstand you is the highest form of control. If you are building emotional control in a reactive world, stay here. This channel is for thinkers. Control your emotions or they will control you.